welcome to Go Croatia Sail. I'm going to show you around one of our boats today from the Superior Range Cleopatra. This is the main hangout part of the boat. It's good to get to know all the other guests and all the other crew on the boat. This is where we hang out, socialise, have some drinks, and have a bit of a party later on tonight. Here we have the saloon. This is where we have our breakfast, our lunch, some occasional dinners. Here we have the main feature of the boat, the sun deck. You've got the spa, you've got the view, you've got heaps of lounging area and heaps of places to hang out on. This boat has 19 cabins in total, 8 of them are below deck, 11 are above, so I'll show you one of the above deck ones then. So, here we have our bathroom. Then we have heaps of storage space in this cupboard. Then we have the main part of the bedroom. So double bed, full air conditioning, a desk, a mirror. Okay, so I've also just been given access to one of the below deck rooms so I can show you the comparison. So we have a double bed and a single bed, which means you can sleep 3 people in this room. Same features, a nice big cupboard, heaps of storage space, and also a bathroom.